6 effective ways to get your baby to sleep in a crib. Training your baby to sleep in a crib can be challenging, but it's necessary. Start by placing the crib in your bedroom to monitor your baby's sleeping patterns. When your baby is ready, use these 6 tips to make the transition easier. There's no direct answer, but it depends on your comfort level and your baby's age. Place the crib in your bedroom for the first few weeks to monitor your baby's sleeping patterns. Install monitoring devices to ensure your baby's safety when sleeping in a separate room. Start with short naps, make the crib a happy place, read a book, give a bath, feed before bedtime, and create a routine. It's safe to transition from co-sleeping to a crib gradually. Your baby may cry because they're not used to the new environment or feel punished. Be patient and aware of your baby's sleeping patterns before you put the crib in a separate room. Use the magic link in the first comment to get the best products for your baby.